Hello? Hello, chat. Okay.
I'm here and ready to chat. What's on your mind today?
Today is second day to practice English speaking.
That's great. What would you like to focus on today? Are we continuing with a specific topic, or would you like to try something new in your English practice?
Try something new. Try something new.
Alright, let's switch things up. Would you like to describe a product idea, share a business concept, or maybe role-play a conversation scenario, like talking to a customer or partner? Let me know what sounds interesting.
Recently, I wanted to change my business strategy.
Understood. So tell me, what's your current business strategy, and what kind of change are you thinking about? We can talk through the steps or brainstorm ideas together.
我感觉这个可能要切一下，我要切成 live 版本的，这个不是 live 版本的。Okay, welcome back.
Thank you. So about your business strategy, what were you thinking of changing?
I want in recent 2 years, I have doing business in Tamil. In his VIM. Do you know VIM?
Okay.
I don't know how to explain it. You can explain it to the viewer.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think you're talking about Timo's full managed model, right? That in Chinese is Quan Tuo Guan.
Mm-hmm.
If that's right, you could say, for the past 2 years, I've been selling on Temu through its full managed model. Does that sound right?
Okay. And
Yeah.
and I maybe next maybe next half of year I will change to this model to Y1. Do you know Y1? I explain it first. I need to send my
I think I know.
send my goods to the maybe
Right.
to the
To the warehouse?
yes to the Europe warehouse and or American. But
Okay.
first I will choose first country. I will choose America, not Europe. How do you think? How do you think this strategy? Because in recent half years, because the taxi, do you know the taxi? Hello? 可能有点卡住了。Continue.
Let me check something quickly. Okay, let's pick it back up. Try this kind of phrasing. For the past 2 years, I've been using Temu's fully managed model. But next, I may shift part of my business to the Y1 model. That means sending my inventory to an overseas warehouse, probably in the United States first, instead of Europe. And as for the strategy, given the tightening small parcel environment, trying a US warehouse makes sense. But start small. Only send a few proven products. Don't send untested or seasonal items. Think of Y1 as a risk control tool, not a growth engine right now.
后面3句我没怎么听懂，你用中文讲一下。
好，我也用中文再说一下哈。现在美国和欧洲针对小包裹的政策都在收紧，所以城市美国仓是有逻辑的，但不适合所有产品都发过去。更稳的做法是只选少数已经稳定出单、风险低的产品做 Y1， 新品或者测试型产品就不要放海外仓。一句话。Y1 对你来说应该是风险控制工具，而不是扩张手段。
OK， 好，风险控制。
对，风险控制就是把潜在的损失和不确定性压到可承受范围。
风险控制，风险我记得是英文是什么？
风险是 risk。
risk control。
风险控制
是不是？
没错，很标准。对，风险控制就是 risk control。risk
control，OK。扩张手段。expand
扩张手段
还是 explore？
可以，扩张手段可以说成 expansion method， 扩张方式。
expand method，OK。
expansion method， 扩张方式。没错。
We continue in English. You ask me. Yes.
Sure. So I want to ask you, if you had to choose just 1 or 2 products for the U.S. warehouse, what would be your first pick? Think stable sales, simple fulfillment, low after-sales risk.
Maybe I will send the handball for low climbing, because I have three products is sells well in half of years, but now only one. This one looks more professional in customers' eyes, and the 电商主图英文怎么说？电商主图什么？
电商主图可以直说成 e-commerce gambler， 但这个有点重。你表达的意思应该更像我不想靠赌来做电商。英文可以说 I don't want to be an e-commerce gambler. I don't want to gamble on inventory. I want to use data to control risk. 这就很贴合你刚才的表达。
OK， 有点。
So if you were to say， 有点。
lose moment， 你有点 lose moment， 就是上下文失去意义。
明白，刚才有点跟不上，
Yes.
那我收一下。核心就是你不想赌库存，只把已经验证过稳定的产品。
我知道 ，I know，你刚刚说的这些我全都听得懂，
太好了，那我就问一句，那按现在的想法，你最可能放进美国仓的那一个产品是哪一个？
In English,
一个就行。
In English, yes,
Sorry.
I have answered the question. It's handboard. It's handboard. Handboard maybe longboard. In my background, Excels.
Okay, you mean the longboard hangboard is your strongest candidate based on your sales so far.
Yes. Long handboard. Long low handboard is the is the production's name.
Got it. The long low hangboard is the model you mean. Sounds like that's your safest bet for a small test in the US warehouse. Want help putting that in one short English sentence you can reuse?
Repeat.
Sure. One simple line you can use is, the long low hangboard is my safest product to test in the US warehouse. Say it once slowly if you want.
Say 什么？
Say it once aloud. Repeat after me. The long low hangboard is my safest product to test in the US warehouse.
我听得懂。
太好了，那这一句以后你就可以直接用。
哦，
不用每次重新。
你刚是不是想让我重复这句话？
对，
OK，
刚才是那个意思。
哦，对对对。
没关系。
我刚刚我现在就是后面才反应过来，就是刚刚健身完，就是整个人还是有点累，脑子有点跟不上。OK。
完全能理解。那你状态好的时候，再把这句话轻声念一遍就行，不用现在。
You repeat it. I follow.
Okay. Repeat after me. The long low hangboard is my safest product to test in the US warehouse.
The long low handboard is a safest product in USA.
Good. Just tweak it a little. Say sorry. Go ahead.
Safe products in USA warehouse.
Exactly.
Okay.
Just say safest product, not safe test.
Safe. Repeat. Safest.
Safest product.
Safest.
The long low hangboard.
Okay.
Safest product. The long low hangboard is my safest product to test in the US warehouse.
Okay. Do you have any others advice to me?
Yes, keep it small and reversible. Start with one proven product. Keep quantity low and watch the data. No big bets. That keeps you in control, not the platform.
So I have another question.
Sure.
America and Europe as my first Y1 country. Which one? Which region do you think is the best, first level one I need to try? Because I think the US dollar is too high in equal maybe 7 RMB, 就是 Chinese yuan. But I need to prepare maybe 30,000 to test the first the first products or first package. Because
I hear you.
Because I need to prepare 3 package. The first one is in my Chinese warehouse And the second one is in shipping. In the shipping, and the third one is in 目标国，应该是目标国英文怎么讲？
目标国可以说 target country.
Target
For
country,
my
yes.
first 对 target country 没错。
Target country. Okay. How do you think it?
对 I think the US should be your first target country. It's one big market, simpler to manage than Europe. Start with one proven product, small quantity, control the risk.
Repeat.
Sure. I think the US should be your first target country. It's one big market, simpler than Europe. Start small with one proven product. Keep the risk low.
OK. 好，今天就差不多到这里了。It has been maybe 50 minutes we have chance this time.
Yeah, that's a good place to stop. You've got your key sentence and your direction. Rest now, and next time we can pick up right here. Well done today.
Oh, okay. Give me this practice give me score or score in this practice. Grammar, speaking, confidence, and
If I had to
fluent.
give a rough,
Okay, continue.
sure. If I had to give a rough take overall today, maybe around 7 out of 10. Your communication and business thinking are strong, around 8. Grammar accuracy is around 5 to 6. Fluency around 6. But the important thing is direction. You're using English for real business thinking, and that's exactly right. And today, that's enough. No need to push more.
Okay, we stop it. See you next time.
Got it. Let's stop here. See you next time.